Good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you how avocado oil has good fats and benefits your health. Avocado oil is gaining in popularity as people are becoming more informed about the good fats it contains. Adding avocado oil to salads, dips, and meals is a great way to get a nice balance of omega-3 to 6 fatty acids as well as monounsaturated fat. Avocado oil has a high smoke point and may be used in cooking. This cooking oil is unique because while other plant oils are derived from the seed of the plant, avocado oil is extracted from the flesh of the fruit itself. Since avocado oil has an unusually high smoke point of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the oil won't break down and produce harmful free radicals, even at a high temperature. Even though refined avocado oil has a high smoke point, virgin avocado oil, on the other hand, has a smoke point of only 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This means only the refined avocado oil can be used to bake, barbecue, sear, or saute at high temperatures, not the virgin avocado oil. Some people say that avocado oil has a slightly buttery or nutty taste, but in general, it is considered to have a neutral taste. Avocado oil is usually compared to olive oil because both are rich in healthy fats. In addition, avocado oil contains more than 20 vitamins and minerals, is high in potassium as well as vitamin A, E, and D. Avocado oil can enhance the absorption of essential nutrients. Certain nutrients need fat in order to be absorbed by the body. These nutrients include the carotenoid antioxidants found in various plant foods. However, fruits and vegetables that are rich in carotenoids are often low in fat. According to a study, adding avocado oil to a salad with carrots, romaine lettuce, and spinach helped increase the absorption of carotenoids. Consuming avocado oil can improve eye health. Avocado oil has a carotenoid called lutein that is naturally present in the eyes. Lutein functions as an antioxidant that can help boost eye health. Increasing your lutein intake can help lower your risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration. Avocado oil can also help to relieve arthritis symptoms. Arthritis is a painful disease characterized by inflammation of the joints. The results of a 2015 study published in the journal Cartilage revealed that extracts from avocado and soybean oil can help alleviate the pain and stiffness found in patients with osteoarthritis. The oil is extra beneficial for individuals with hip and knee osteoarthritis. Alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, the omega-3 fatty acid in avocados, has been found to suppress tumor growth in breast and colon cancers. Plus, adding small amounts of avocado oil to your daily diet can provide excellent antioxidant support to protect your mitochondria from early decline and protect against chronic diseases of aging. According to a published study, avocado oil may help to prevent gum disease by decreasing inflammation in the gums. In the tissue culture study, low doses of avocado oil were more effective than high doses at inhibiting tissue-degrading enzymes, indicating that it might prevent tissue damage in gum disease. Additionally, the antioxidants in avocado oil can help heal dry, flaky, and inflamed skin due to eczema and psoriasis. If you have a skin condition, perform a skin patch test first to determine any reactions to the avocado oil. Avocado oil is a versatile ingredient and can be used when making different savory dishes, such as salads, soups, or roasted vegetables. The oil is also suitable for people following the keto and vegan diets. Even though avocado oil is a little expensive compared to other cooking oils, it offers many health benefits when used in moderation. I appreciate you watching. Good day and good health.